Hello everybody, I am here to show off some projects that I have completed. Well, it's not really a project, I guess it's the start of a project. I have made some embellishments with my die cuts and my flowers. And if you haven't checked out my announcement yet, I am having a sale on my die cuts and my flowers right now. I have some mystery boxes set up for you to enjoy. They are full of these die cuts with the people and the things and then the flowers. There's also a pack that has ephemera by me, so journal cards and tags and envelopes are also included. So you can check those out of my shop. They are there for only a limited time. And once they run out, they run out. I'm not sure when I'll have the mystery boxes again. So do make sure to take advantage of this offer. Like I said, it's only for a limited time until, as they say on TV, supplies run out. I have been having so much fun with my sewing machine lately, but I've just been making embellishments. I have not been making journals. I don't know why. I just want to make the embellishments, so that's what I've been doing. I try to focus on what I feel like doing at the time, because that'll make the best art I can think of than something that I don't want to do, you know what I'm saying? So this has been a lot of fun. I did sew a lot around the edges, as you can see. I sewed a lot. And I've gotten better at doing corners too. I've gotten really, really good at doing corners. As you'll see it here, because I did a lot of corners. I'm turn these around. Okay, so here's another one. With the little bar, oops, upside down, of course it is. I need this to focus. It's not focusing unless it's far away. Okay, that's fine, that'll work. Here's another one with the little flowers. This one big flower. And then the little advertisement. I love it. Here's another one, just ready to be put in journals. This one was fun. Wait, this one's that one's two different ones. This little picture, this flower. Sorry, my cat just woke up and he expects to be fed. But I don't feed him, so he doesn't ask me. You see how I got good about going around the corner? I kind of messed up there a little bit, but the rest looks really legit, right? Look at that corner. I haven't been able to do corners like that, so that's why I'm excited. And then there's a little La Mujer, which isn't that cute, right? It's just not focusing my camera. I love it. Sorry if my cat's coming. Boo. You're in the shop, boo-boo. Hey, don't bite it. Boo. Stop it. Sorry. I did not expect my cat to join me up here. There we go. Another little collage. And thank you guys so much for your support, for buying from my shop. I can't put into words how much I appreciate your support. And then I sewed it. Well, I sewed it all around the corner too. I used a really light cream colored thread, so it's not really easy to see, but I really like the look of that thread for now. So here's another one where I sewed around the corner. I've been getting really good at that. I'm really happy. And it really does add another, the thread and the sewing really do add another like graphic element to the embellishment. Oh, this one was beautiful. This one was fun to do, and it looked beautiful on a page. And my cat is still watching and stalking the little strings, boo-boo. You want the little string, boo-boo? Okay. And here's a note. A big old ephemera piece that I just folded in half. I sewed around the edges and then down the middle too. You could see the down the middle stitch. And then it's double printed on the inside so you can write. This one was fun with my botanical rose images. Ambo! He is messing with me, you guys. He is just messing with me. He's so mean. Here's a little one. There's a beautiful rose with some blue flowers on top. These are really, really, really fun to make. And then this, I didn't really do much with this one, but this is actually from MAC Cosmetics. I was invited to one of their release parties back when I was really, really into them. I don't know, it was like years ago, and they gave me these really cute looking vintage postcards, and I used one for this project. They're just like really vintage, like beach themed postcards almost. This one is my favorite because it looks pretty intricate. I love these die cut flowers, you guys. I can't stop using them. There's nothing on here, so also I'm really happy I can give you guys this offer of these mystery boxes with the die cuts. And then here is a pocket with sewed on images on there. Love it. These little guys and a note card. Okay, so we're getting down to the nitty gritty here. I did make a lot of them. I just sat down on my TV and just started sewing, just putting things together, seeing how it went. This one is cute and it's a little text spot technically. Here's another embellishment, best day ever. And here's a embellishment on a scrapbook piece and then with the flower. Looks so cute. On a tag. And these are the past. These must be my older projects because they're in black ink. Okay, you guys, that's it. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this project share. And again, please do check out my shop for those mystery boxes that are available in limited quantities only. And again, I do appreciate you guys commenting and watching my videos. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Have a good day. Bye.
What's up, boo-boo? What's up, boo-boo? Boo-boo. I love you, boo-boo. You love me, boo-boo?